So you can find plenty of tips online for cleaning your Alcantara steering wheel. I personally have produced a few myself, but one thing that you won't find is a tip that detailers don't actually mention to you. So when cleaning an Alcantara steering wheel, I've shown the dry method of basically using water, a handheld vacuum, and a toothbrush. And then I've also shown how to use one of the best Alcantara cleaners, Sonax Alcantara cleaner, and using any detailing liquid like the Sonax, even though it comes out as foam. It basically puts moisture in your steering wheel. I mean, you can think of it like just pouring water inside your car. It's going to evaporate, right? So I have not seen any guide that kind of warned you of that. So if you were to put the Sonax solution, the foam, put it into your steering wheel, and then basically try to clean it out and bring out all the dirty things in the steering wheel, you're never going to get it all out of your steering wheel. So what you're going to have in there is something that's a wetness. You'll feel the wetness on your Alcantara steering wheel if you were to drive it immediately after cleaning, if you were to let it sit in your car. So my tip that I'll share with you that I've yet to see anybody else mention is take a few towels or a big microfiber towel, and when you are done cleaning your Alcantara steering wheel, just put it over the top of the steering wheel. And the reason you're going to do that is that wetness that I mentioned, it's going to evaporate overnight. And I have been the victim of having it's just a little evaporant. It's not anything too crazy, but you're going to have that solution evaporated on your front window. And you would have, let's say it was the last thing you did when you cleaned your car, you cleaned your interior window, you cleaned your exterior window, and you get in for a car show or whatever, and you roll out the garage, and it's going to be right in your view. It would have evaporated straight up and right in your view. So it just gives you something else to clean. This way, if it evaporates into the microfiber towel, and you won't have that problem. So, learn from, it's not really a mistake, it's just something, I mean, about things evaporating, water evaporates, liquids evaporate, but just something that I have not seen shared, and I want you to not have to deal with it. So I hope you find this tip useful. If you have an Alcantara steering wheel and you use either of my methods of the dry method, the using Sonax, which there's a lot of other people that'll tell you to use Sonax, and I agree with them. If you use any sort of solution on your Alcantara steering wheel, just be sure to throw a microfiber over it. I also throw some blue shop towels. I'll put like one and then have them overlapping. That way it evaporates into it, and I never have anything on my front windshield. So, thanks for watching.